Little Bahar's mom brought this beautiful Persian carpet from Iran. Little Bahar loves to dance on the carpet. The carpet started moving. Eba mamanam, why did you move the carpet? Please dance on the carpet, sweetie. Okay, mommy. Eba mamanam, why did you move the carpet? Please dance on the carpet, sweetie. Okay, mommy. My God, why do you have to move the carpet every time you dance? Mommy, I don't do it on purpose. The carpet moves when I dance. Oh, sweetie, that makes sense. Now let's make a Persian carpet. First, draw a rectangle shape for the border of your carpet. Draw oval shapes one inside another to fill your border. Trace over the outlines. Now draw any plants and flowers that you like between these lines. Now you can color your beautiful Persian carpet.